Hi there. Let's talk about the scale. The scale is a series of 8 notes that begins on the letter name and ends on the same letter name, 8 notes higher or 8 notes lower. So for example, the C scale would start on C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And the scale contains both half steps and whole steps. The pattern for a scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So, what is a whole step? A whole step is from white note to white note with a black note in between, or from black note to black note with a white note in between. Let's start on C and identify our whole steps. So C to D has a black note in between, so it is a whole step. D to E has a black note in between, and it's a whole step. E to F has no black note in between, and it's a half step. F to G has a black note in between. It is a whole step. G to A has a black note in between, so it's a whole step. A to B is a whole step because it has a black note in between. And B to C is a half step because there's no black note in between. So, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half. And that gives us the formula for our major scale, our C major scale. Because we're talking about major scales right now. When we talk about whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, we're talking about the major scale. So let's play that major scale. C, whole step, half, whole step, whole step, half. Again, starting with C. C to D, whole step, D to E, whole step, half, whole, half. That is the C major scale. Now let's talk about the fingering that we will use. In the right hand, we do 1, 2, 3, and we cross under and do 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross under, 1, 2, 3, cross under. And if you're doing the left hand, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross over, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's put it together. Again. And then you can come back down after much practice. And that's the C